Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hope everyone is doing great. In this video, I am going to share 6 valuable points. If you are in your first year of college, then don't forget to follow these 6 points. So before going to the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. And before starting with the first point, when a student joins the college in first year, he'll think like, I'll get a good marks in the first sem and second sem. And coming to the second year, they'll think like he'll enjoy. And the third year, like he'll start clearing the backlogs which he got in the second year. And fourth year, he'll try to crack a job. But as per now, as per present situation, doing these methods and following these methods to crack a job is not that easy thing. So don't forget to follow these 6 points. And coming to the point number 1 is start building a network. To build this network, first of all, create a LinkedIn profile and optimize your profile and post regularly like what you're doing, what your skills, what your thoughts and what you learned and what your future plans. Regularly post all these things in LinkedIn and start interacting with the people who had experience in some particular job or something else. Because in future, when you graduated, if you are looking for a referral, if that person who got interacted with you in LinkedIn, you can get a referral from him or her. It will help to you to get a job. And second point is learn how to code. Either it is C language or Java or Python, anything. Just start with the basics in your first year. And related to the second point, the third point is about a GitHub. The code which you learned, start saving that into a GitHub. GitHub is a platform where you can save the codes which you practiced or which you did the projects in the GitHub repository. If you don't know more about a GitHub, already the more existing videos are there in YouTube, or else in future I'll do a full-length video about GitHub in our channel. So make sure to subscribe our channel. And now coming to the fourth point, start side hustle. Side hustle in the sense, learn some skills like either graphic designing, video editing, or SEO, social media marketing, anything. After learning this, create a profile in Fiverr or for kind of freelancing platforms and start doing freelancing work. Or else you can create an YouTube channel or start creating a blog or write content in that blog. This is also useful when you are first year of college as a side hustle of income. So see these methods are like a side hustle, mainly concentrated in our studies. Don't forget that. And the next fifth point is communication skills. This is not mean talking only in English. It also matters how confident you are talking and how your body language and the eye contact and many more comes under this. So in future, when you wanna attend any interview, this communication skill are mostly helpful to you. And not only that, when you're doing job, when you're working with your team, this is very important in your future life. The sixth point is aptitude, not only in a software industry. If you want to switch your career from software to a government job, in future, in every entrance exam, there will be aptitude. So learning this aptitude from first year onwards, it's like a very useful to you. It's an add-on skill for everyone. And I think these are the 6 points are more than enough for the first year student in college. So if you're in the first year, then don't forget to follow these 6 points. Hope I covered all the points. If you're watching this video till now, then don't forget to like our video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.